Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, check it out. I wanted to show you one of these custom tables I got going in my garden that I just made. So on this table here, we're going to be running some peas and we're going to be running some hydroponic lettuces, okay, and different greens in the hydroponics. So that's what I wanted this table for. I wanted this table to be the right size because I wanted it to be mobile. So two people could easily rotate this table. So the sun's going to shine from the angle behind me. And so we may have to rotate this depending upon if the front or the back is getting more sun, or just move the location altogether. So we can do that easy. Two people can rotate this table, or we can move it to another location. All right. The thing that's nice, I wanted to keep it nice and light. And that's one of the reasons that I've got the crossbars like I do. And the other reason is what it does for the containers. So these are Dollar Tree rectangular planters. I'm using it for peas. These are just starting to pop. These are my snow peas. We've got some sugar snap peas going in our other structure. We've done some videos on those. Those are popping up good. But yeah, these are our snow peas here. I'm going to do some trellising on them. I'll do an update when I do the trellising. And then, like I say, my hydroponic greens and lettuces are going to be going right there for now. So what's nice about this table, though, is that if you do the dimensions right, these are actually inset. Okay, so these you can slide, they can move all over, or they can just totally come out, right? But by making the dimensions right, they just inset right into the table. So that's so awesome, because now you don't have to worry about them tipping over. You don't have to worry about any of that. When you water them, it's not like the water's going to pool up on the table. These will drain right down, and they're just nice. You can select where you want to put them, and they're going to stay in place. Okay, so I think it's just a really neat idea. I haven't seen this before, but having those rectangular planters, they have a slope to them, if you notice. And so they're just inset nice and perfect right into that table. All I did was it's a 4-foot table, and I just put 2 cross beams at equal spaces, and then they just inset right in there. And like I say, it's great. They can slide around, they can move, and yeah. So hopefully this gives you some ideas, and hopefully you're planting stuff and getting ready for this season. This is Troy Time. I'm out.